Hello guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily fix slow downloads on your Firefox browser so you can get your files faster than ever. Let's begin. First, open your Firefox browser, okay? Then on the search bar, I want you to type about config like this one, okay? And then we can now easily hit enter. Don't worry, just click on accept the risk and continue. Then on the search bar, type in per-server. Okay. Here on this section, you can see number 6. All right. We just need to change this to number 10. So click on the edit icon on the right side. Okay. Type 10. Then easily click on the check mark button to save the changes. This increases the number of simultaneous download connections on your Firefox browser. You can now try downloading something again to see if your speed has improved. If you notice any issues, just go back and change the value from 10 back to 6 to restore to the default settings. You can also use wired connections instead of Wi-Fi for better stability. That's it. You have now learned how to speed up downloads in Firefox like a pro. I hope you found this video very helpful.